In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Etsy app not working. So if in one way or another your Etsy shopping app is not opening, it is not responding, or it is too slow or keeps on crashing, then in this video, I'll show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, there are quite a number of steps you can follow to fix this. In the first method, we shall start with the simplest method, is to access the app info page. And to do this, you can access it through settings, or just the shortest way is to long press on your app and you should see app info. If you don't see this app info option, you should see a settings gear next to it, or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Etsy app information page. For this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From here, we need to clear Etsy shopping app data. And if I go to storage, you can see a breakdown of data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. So when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that Etsy normally collects each and every time you visit the app or you interact with this app. And this data is collected to enhance your user experience. But when these files accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, tap on clear data down below and then choose clear cache and finally OK. As you can see, our cache data has been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone and open your app and everything should be okay now. In most cases, this works 100% and everything should be okay. However, should you still have issues, then proceed to clear data again on app info page, and this time around, choose the first option, clear all data, and okay. But should this not work, then the problem might be emanating from the app's origin, which is Google Play Store if you're on Android, or App Store if you're on iPhone. So for that, we need to go ahead and search for the app through Google Play Store and find out if we have any update. One of the reasons your app is malfunctioning is because you might be using an outdated version of Etsy shopping app that might not be supported. Proceed and update your app to the latest version, and this will install the latest features and also make fixes that might be missing, and your app now should be perfectly working. However, if this does not solve your issue, then head to the last option, and this is more especially if your app keeps on crashing, and that is closing instantly whenever you try to open it. Then you'll need to uninstall your app and then install it afresh. By following any of this, you should be able to fix any issues with your Etsy app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.